quiet down. What do you have here? A notebook?
Open it already!
Whoa, this is so interesting. Wow, Lali is dreaming about a dumpling? Hey, bestie, what's wrong?
I'll never have one like that.
Aw, poor thing, don't be sad. Look over there instead.
What's that?
I've got a little surprise for you.
Yay, a dumpling! Yes!
Woohoo! Look how soft and fun it is.
Wow, I'm so happy. Lalilu, I have a super idea. Let's make dumpling-inspired outfits.
You don't have to ask me twice. This one's a diamond.
Wow, this is gonna be amazing!
I can't wait either. Let's head to the workshop. I've already got everything ready here.
Ooh, everything sparkles. Ouch!
Lali, are you okay?
Oh, I feel dizzy.
Let me help keep it steady. That's better. Oh, what's this wardrobe? Let's check it out.
Everything's so shiny, I need to grab all the dumplings. Oh, come on! Missed a little.
Let's take a look inside. And here we have Play-Doh clay.
Wow, can I try?
Of course, go ahead.
What are we making?
Let's sculpt you a top.
Like this?
That's a cute little heart, but we need a dumpling, remember? In diamond style.
Oh, right.
Let's fix the shape with a tool.
Doesn't really look like a diamond.
Let's add some sparkle. Which polish should I pick? Dumpling, can you help? Oh, perfect, thanks. Coating it with glitter polish. Cute eyes and a smile, just like the reference.
Exactly the same! Okay, where's my notebook? That's not all. Oh, here it is. Ta-da! The makeover sketch.
Wow, this is incredible.
I know.
Top is done, now the bottom. Let's open the next pack. A shiny elastic band. Total shiny vibe. Putting it on the doll. Oh, so cute. Adding the dumpling in front.
Lalilu, what about shoes? These don't match. Let's look here.
You're right. Come on. Oh, let's check inside. Stunning thigh-high boots. Taking off the sneakers and putting these on. Perfect match. What do we have here? Missing a bow. Oh, this one's perfect.
No, not that.
Lali, what's wrong?
That bow is too small. Let's fix it. Lali kiss. I want a huge bow.
Out of foil? Wow, well, let's try. Taking a piece and pinching the middle. Lali, hold this. Wrapping the strip around the center.
And ribbons on the sides. Let's try it on.
Attaching it to the back.
So, am I pretty?
That shiny foil bow turned out great.
Something's missing. Wait, I know. More glitter! Lalilu, I got a whole aquarium. Yay! Now that's a sparkling life.
Let me see. Wow, so many gems and rhinestones. You're dazzling. What's that?
Dumpling stickers.
Great idea. Cutting them out and sticking them on.
Oh, what's this? Look, I'm a unicorn.
You're hilarious. I'll take that off. Let's turn them into diamond hairpins. Decorating the hair. You can never have too much sparkle. And here too.
Gorgeous.
Sparkly makeup. Brushing the curls.
Super luxury style.
And done. The diamond dumpling look. Lali, show yourself.
Ooh, I look like a 10 out of 10.
Just how I imagined.
Thanks, bestie.
I've got another surprise.
Where?
Right behind your ear.
Wow, a dumpling keychain.
Yep, press it.
Okay. Oh, what's happening? Wow.
Huh? Outfit's gone. Oh, time for the new look. Follow me.
Wheel of Fortune. Spin, spin, spin. Wow, a ruby dumpling. I love everything bright. This is so awesome. Let's do this. Oh, we're already in the workshop. Wow. I need a checklist for the look.
All right, we've got a corset, a skirt, and shoes. Let's start with those.
Lalilu, who even starts with shoes? We're starting with the corset.
Okay, your call. How do you like this ribbon? It'll make a gorgeous top.
Should we decorate it with this chain?
Nice, what a dazzling result.
Yeah, but my sleeves totally don't match.
Oh, I know. Wrapping the arms with shiny fabric. And to keep it in place, I'll use a glue gun.
It's dry, you can trim it.
Snip, done.
Awesome!
Let's add sparkling pink rhinestones, ruby gems,
And a dumpling. Ta-da!
Great, check off the first step.
Done! Lalilu, what's next?
Now let's make the dumpling skirt.
Where do we get a new dumpling? Oh! Ah! A trampoline!
I think this dumpling will work perfectly.
Yeah, great idea.
Whee, it's so soft. I love playing with it. Did you notice how shiny it is inside? So cool.
We need to make a hole.
Lali, are you sure?
And, oh, it popped! No, we ruined everything. I can't look.
Hey, Lali, look, it turned into a perfect skirt base.
Oh, wait, something's missing.
Mmm.
Where's my phone? Hello, sweetie? Yes, it's me. I need something.
Uh-oh, what's that noise?
My present! Lalilu, open it quick.
Wow, there's glitter. Let's fill the dumpling with it. Carefully spread it inside. Done.
Look what I brought.
Where have you been? Just what we need. Filling it up. We did it. Pop, it fits perfectly. So pretty.
Wee, dumpling skirt. You can play with it like this.
I know how to make it even cooler. I'll need a silicone mold. Pouring in glitter. Okay, now hot glue.
No! You forgot the glue stick.
Oh, right, thanks. Filling the mold with glue. Hey, Lali, look, we made ruby scales. Wow. Decorating the skirt with them.
Lalilu! This is amazing! Look at this cool balloon.
Give it to me, I've got an idea. Boom! Voila, a gorgeous train. Let's decorate it with bright rhinestones. That's it, the ruby dumpling skirt is ready. Check it off the list. One last step, shoes. And here are the new sandals. Taking off the sneakers and trying them on. Oh yes, perfect fit.
And a tiny dumpling.
Corset, skirt, shoes. Great, we did everything.
Can we do the hairstyle like in the sketch?
Oh, of course, you need pigtails. There, so cute.
Whee, so awesome. Sweetie, yeah, I look so pretty. Hey, wait, do I not have pockets? How can that be? Got it. Lalilu!
Exactly. Let's look for ideas in your notebook. Okay, opening it. Lali's secret project. Sketch, patterns. Got it. Which foam sheet? Ruby. Tracing the outline. Now cutting it out. Folding along the lines. Gluing the handle. Here you go, Lali.
We need rhinestones. And the final touch,
a bow.
Nice. Now I've got somewhere to keep my phone.
The look turned out so cute and bright. Oh wow, how adorable.
I'm a real ruby princess. Did you see the train?
Lali is shining like never before. I loved crafting this pink dumpling style for her. Time for the next look. Hey, the button is stuck. Oh, got it.
I wonder what style is next.
Spin the wheel to find out.
Yay!
Golden dumpling.
Ooh, this is gonna be super cool.
Yep, and here's our golden workshop. Do you like it?
Amazing!
Oh, what are you doing?
Drawing a sketch. Just a second. Almost done. Look!
Wow, no way. So many details. Can we handle it?
Of course, if we work together. Lali Kiss. Surprise bags.
Wow, these are outfit pieces. Hair, corset, skirt, and shoes. Let's start with the corset.
Yes, let's go. Lalilu, place an order.
Okay. Banana cat delivery is on the way. That's so funny.
Wow, treasure! Open!
I'll take this gold tape. Oh, where's the edge?
Lost it again?
Lali, that's not funny.
There it is.
Right, unrolling and sticking it right onto the doll. The top is ready.
Lalilu, I want to see.
Here's a mirror.
Wow, I'm such a luxury girl. Total slay. Wow, more rhinestones. Yes, so pretty.
Let's decorate your top with them. The more the better. Removing the sleeves, and now onto the next step, the skirt.
I want it, I want it.
I've got something special here. A limited golden dumpling. So soft. We'll have to cut it.
Stop!
Oh, Lali, what now?
These are my favorites, tiny and big golden dumplings. We'll choose a better material.
All right then. What will we use for the skirt?
I've got it. Be right back. Here.
What? A scraper? Okay, let's try it. Taking it off the base. Putting it on Lali.
Don't forget the face.
Right. Drawing eyes and a smile. So cute. Cutting them out with scissors. And gluing them onto the skirt. And now, the train. Wow, so gorgeous. Decorating it with tiny dumplings. Yes, that looks great. Want even more shine? I'll use gold powder for that.
Super duper.
Done with that, now let's pick shoes. Voila! Time to change them.
Lalilu, am I staying with buns?
Nope, time for the hairstyle. Look what was in the bag.
Wow.
Attaching long strands. Beautiful, let's add golden hairpins. The look turned out amazing. Golden train, skirt, top, hairstyle, perfect.
Yay, we're done.
High five! Let's remember what we made today. Lali tried on 3 gorgeous dumpling looks. A sparkling diamond, a bright ruby, and a luxurious gold. Which look did you like the most? First, second, or third? Write in the comments. Love ya! Bye-bye!